Here we've got REALME C3i, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So firstly, you need to open the browser that you are using. In my case, it is Google Chrome, located right here, so I will just click on it, then tap on more icon. I've got the update icon here, but you will have 3 dots one usually, and then tap on history. And here, just tap on clear browsing data if you truly want to do it. And you've got some basic and advanced options here. So in basic panel, you will notice browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cache images and files. And then under advanced, you have a few more, and just mark those that you would like to remove as well. And let me mark saved passwords, auto fill from data, and site settings. But obviously you can customize it as only you want to, as only you wish to. It's up to you, whatever you want to delete. And then manage time range. So just click here and select the time from which you would like to remove it. I will choose all time, and then tap on clear data. And that's it. As you can see, it's free now, so you can create it from scratch then. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.